Jeremy is 15 years old. His father is 4 times as old as him now. In how many years' time will their total age be 115 years? Now this is an age-related question, which means difference must remain the same between Jeremy and his father. So let's see how old are they now. So we know that Jeremy is 15 years old. Father will be 4 times as old. So it'll be 15 times 4. Father will be 60 years old. And the difference has to always be 60 minus 15, which is 45 years of difference. Now later on, Father and Jeremy, the difference will still be 45 years. Jeremy will take up this box here, and their total, I want it to be 115 years later on. Okay, so how late is this? How many years later is this? We'll need to find what happened to Jeremy's age or the father's age. So 115 minus 45. That will be 70. And then you take that 70 divided by 2 boxes, divide by 2 units, 35. So Jeremy's age later on will be 35. So how many years gap is that from 15 right now to 35? 35 minus 15, the answer will be 20 years gap. So in how many years time will the total age be 115 years? That answer will be in 20 years time.